Now we are going to solve this problem. Laplace transformation of 4t plus 5 by e power 2t the whole square is equal to, now we can write this as L of 4t plus 5 into this 1 by e power 2t can be written as e power minus 2t the whole square. Now we can write this one as L of 4t plus 5 the whole square into e power minus 2t the whole square. And this is equal to L of 4t plus 5 the whole square into e power minus 4t. Now we can use a plus b the whole square formula. That is equal to 4t plus 5 the whole square can be written as 16t square plus 25 plus 40t. 2ab, that is 2 into 5 is going to be 10, 10 into 4 is going to be 40, so 40t into e power minus 4t. Now in this place we are going to use first shifting property. First, by using first shifting property we are going to move further by first shifting property. The property is L of f of t into e power minus 4 e power minus 80 is equal to, that means L of f of t into e power minus 80 is L of f of t. In this result we are going to replace the term s by s plus a. Now we got this form, that means f of t into e power minus 80. So here we can use this first shifting property. For that one, first we need to find L of f of t. So here this term is going to be f of t. So now this is equal to L of 16t square plus 25 plus 40t. Laplace transformation of f of t. In this one, replace s by s plus 4. Here in the place of a we are having 4, so we are going to replace the s by s plus 4. Now we are going to find what is L of 16t square plus 25 plus 40t. Laplace transformation of this one can be written as Laplace transformation of 16t square plus L of 25 plus L of 40t. This one we can done by using linear property of Laplace transformation. Now this can be written as 16 into L of t square plus 25 into L of 1 plus 40 into L of t. Now we know that already we have seen what is the Laplace transformation of t to the power n. Using that one we can write this as 16 into 2 factorial divided by s power 2 plus 1 plus 25 into Laplace transformation of 1 is going to be 1 by s plus 40 into Laplace transformation of t to the power 1. T is nothing but t power 1. So this is going to be 1 factorial divided by s power 1 plus 1. This is equal to 16, and here everything after this Laplace transformation we should replace the s by s plus 4, so we should write that too also simultaneously when you are evaluating the Laplace transformation of f of t. You should not forget this one. S tends to S plus 4. Now this is 2 divided by S cube plus 25 by S plus 40 divided by S square. In this one we are going to replace S by S plus 4. This is equal to 32 by S cube plus 25 by S plus 40 by S square. We are going to replace S by S plus 4 as by first shifting property. Now the answer is going to be what? 32 divided by S plus 4 the whole cube plus 25 by S plus 4 plus 40 by S plus 4 the whole square. That's all. This is the answer of this problem.